Hello again, hopefully. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video here. This is taking months to get here. First, because it was out of stock where I bought it. They had it. But since I was waiting on a canister muffler, I decided not to buy it directly from them. Because I still had to wait for the canister muffler anyway, but then I got the canister muffler and then nobody had it. And they finally called me and told me they had one for me, and I wasted no time and bought it. So here we go. This is a DA70 as of, I don't know what today is, July 20th or something. I don't know, around there, 2026, in case you're watching this, Lord knows when. And things have changed. So, all right, here comes a box in a box. I just push it from the bottom at this point. Jesus. Talk about a tight-fitting box. Alright, so here's the DA70 box. Guess we'll open it this way. Smells like it's had gas running through it. So this, you see, there's some oil residue there. I hope this is new. I email them. So anyway, that's it. It's not a lot to it. Oh, these are tubes that I needed for something else. And the ignition coil. The manual says it's 4.8 volts, I think it is. The two gaskets are here. See if this says the voltage. This doesn't say the voltage. Oh yes, it does. 4. I can't see. 4.8 volt to 6 volt NiCad. I don't know what this is, but this is a problem for me. I got this piece that if y'all know what it is, that would be great to know, because I don't. I got, oh shoot. That's one gasket. Here's another one of these things. They plug into this. I don't know what this is. So that's it, short and sweet. I'll find out of the gasket at some point. Thanks for watching. This is going on that plane. I'll unbox here in a little bit and build. But I'm not sure when. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.